Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Good morning guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome to another vlog. Today is Friday the 30th of April. Oh my god, these guys, right, they go in the hallway, which you can literally hear everything. They scream. So annoying. Tell them not to do it every single time, but they never listen. But anyway, I'm gonna take them on the school and nursery run now. I'll catch up with you in a bit. So we are outside Elisa's school. We are about to just read her book because she got a new one yesterday, so we're gonna just sit in the car and read because we are 20 minutes early. 20 whole minutes early. So that's what we're gonna do. After I've dropped her off to school, I have so many bits and pieces to do. I need to clean my house because it's disgusting right now. It's so messy. And it's just little bits and pieces I need to do. Hoovering, cleaning the kitchen, that kind of thing. I have got a big thing happening later at 4:30, which is something that I've never done before. It is a cook along on Zoom for a company, and I'm so nervous, but at the same time I'm kind of like prepared because I had a meeting for it yesterday and it was just, it went well, and yeah, I'm just a little bit nervous, so I have to prepare for that. I need to just prepare everything, sort everything out, clean up, and just make myself feel ready, you know. I haven't put any makeup on today, which is why I look like this, but you know, when I get back I'm gonna kind of clean up and make myself feel a little bit better. But anyway, Elisa, are you excited to go to school today?
Yeah, but
this is her book that she's reading. It's called?
Should we read it?
What does it say?
It's fish
Mhm.
and it chips.
Yeah.
Fish and
What sound does a k make? No. K makes the sh sound.
Oh,
Yeah.
fish and chips.
Yeah. Also, Elisa's earring is in backwards because I don't even remember if I told you what happened to it. We basically were in the car and then it got caught on the seat belt. It fell out and then I couldn't put it back in the right way around, and it was just hurting her too much, so I just left it. And yeah, that's what happened, didn't it?
Yeah.
Just got back, guys. I thought I would do a little haul. What I got, I went to Damascena Souk. Did I show you? I don't even know if I did. But let me show you what I got. I'm going to show you what I got from Lidl first. So I got some aromat because I heard that this is really good just as like salt, but it tastes better than salt. So I'm going to try this and let you know what I think of it. I got a chocolate hazelnut donut. Guys, this going shopping when I'm fasting thing is not good. Let me show you what else I got. I've been obsessed with these recently. They're so delicious. If you haven't tried them, don't try them because you will want to just eat them all the time. I got some bread. Why? I don't even eat bread very often, like that kind of bread. But then I did get something to go with it, which is this whipped soft cheese, and this has suitable vegetarians on it, so this would be nice with this bread. I don't even know when I'm gonna eat this. Like, I don't even know what I'm eating tonight. Probably a bunch of all this stuff, because I also picked up a smoky chipotle potato salad. How delicious does that look? It's a little bit spicy, it's vegetarian, it's potato, and I just thought I'd get that. It's 134 calories per third of this pack. Oh my god, that is a lot of calories per third of the pack. And then I got 3 of these white chocolate cookies. It's so bad going in there when you're fasting. It's like you just want to eat everything. I actually controlled myself like a little bit. I'm hoping that someone will come and eat all of this for me. I picked up 2 packs of these baby cucumbers. My kids love them, I love them, and they're better than big cucumbers. I then picked up these. I've never picked these up before. Sweet pointed mixed peppers. And I thought I'd try these because I've never tried them before. So try something different. Also got some big onions. some yogurts for the kids, for Isa. Some yogurts for Elisa. Oh no, what is this? A brownie. Look at the brownie. Why? I don't know what's wrong with me. And then I picked up one of these as well. This is just nice to like grab and drink whenever you feel like it in the evening. Like, I like to have a coffee after I break my fast, and I've been loving iced coffees because it's more refreshing than a hot coffee. So this is for them. Anyway, that's all the stuff that I got from there. And then I went to Damasceno Souk. I had nothing in mind. I just haven't been there for so long, so I was like, I'm gonna go there, maybe stock up on my coffees, see what else they have. Picked up some harira soup. I love that stuff. I've had it once before and it was really nice. I picked up some sumac, and this is for salads. I think this is so delicious on salad, just like sprinkled on top of a salad. I think it's so nice. And then I got some coffee. I picked up 3 packets of coffee. My favorite cardamom one. I love this so much. And then I picked up some Haribos. I picked up loads of sweets, and this is just for Eid, like for the kids around Eid time. I picked up a Haribo twin snakes. I don't know what twin snakes are, I've never seen them before. Haribo fizzy worms, Haribo Fantasia, no idea, jelly beans, and some more Fantasia. And then I saw this at the till. Guys, I don't know why. Why would you pick this up? Like, it's so random. The fruit flavoured pebble chocolate draggy. I don't know what that means. But like, why would I pick this up? I wouldn't pick this up if I wasn't fasting. Just because it's chocolate and it looks like pebbles. Isn't that cool? I think that's so cool. What even is this? Anyway, so that's everything that I picked up. But yeah, I'm gonna go and clean my house now, because that is what I was supposed to do before I went to there. And then, you know, when you just get this sudden urge to go somewhere, that's what happens. Anyway, I'm gonna go clean up. So guys, I'm actually doing a cook along today, which is why I haven't vlogged very much, because I've just been trying to sort out the place. I put up some decorations here, which is basically, this is going to be my background, kind of. But it's for a company, and it's just for like the employees of the company. And we're making pakoras, so yeah, that's what's going on. Right now I'm just prepping the ingredients. Like, I've got onions and potatoes here. I'm about to chop some chilies, and that's it really. So yeah, I'm feeling really stressed out. Like, yesterday I had a meeting for it, but the meeting went really well. I posted on Instagram about this meeting. This knife is so bad, oh my god. Yeah, so I posted on Instagram about this meeting, and I was just like, you know, when you kind of just get really stressed out. And now I'm trying not to feel too stressed, because I know obviously it's all thoughts and like, oh, imagine this happened, imagine that happened, imagine if I say the wrong thing, because it's like a Ramadan kind of Q&A cook along with the company. Like, it's just to like kind of raise awareness, like kind of educate people on Ramadan. Like, it won't be available anywhere else, it will just be for this company, which is so nice. I think it's just such a beautiful idea to kind of get your employees involved in something like this. Isn't that just like a really nice idea? And I was so happy, like I was so grateful for this opportunity to be able to do it for them. And honestly, I feel like a little bit overwhelmed, not gonna lie. Just chopping up the chilies now, but yeah, they're just gonna ask me some questions about Ramadan, and I'm just gonna try and answer to the best of my ability. But chilies are chopped. Now I'm gonna chop some coriander. Whew. Okay, there's my chilies. I love coriander in my pakoras. It just gives it such a nice flavour. So I'm going to use quite a bit of coriander. I might share this recipe. Let me know if you want this recipe. It's so easy. I made it up. So yeah, I still need to do my makeup. I've got like less than an hour to sort all of this out and do my makeup. And get ready. And sort out the camera angles and stuff like that. I'm really nervous. But inshallah it'll be okay. So that's coriander chop. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, Perfect. Gram flour. Gram flour is sorted. And then we need the spices. So guys, my pakora cook along went so well. I'm so happy with how it came out. Like, I even put up decorations just for it. I don't know if I told you about that before, but I was so nervous, but it went so well. I'm so happy. You don't understand how happy I am right now. Like, I did it. I did something that I was scared of, and I'm so proud of myself, and I'm just really happy right now. Anyway, pakoras are packed. I didn't really take a picture or film it, but I did post it on my Instagram. This is what they look like. I do this too much, don't I? Anyway, I am going to drop these off at family's houses. I'm going to get my children, and I don't know what I'm going to do after, but I'm so happy it went well. Alhamdulillah.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.